Yo, right now it's Dr. Kane.
This is J Vades.
Together with Dr. Vades.
And our new single featuring Blanco, Ringtone.
It's out now. Go and grab that.
We're here to talk about the new one, Ringtone, which is out right now.
Jeez, 99p, out there.
Quick one.
Shameless plug.
Or, you know, whatever ones where you can stream it for free.
But obviously,
Even stream it, even repeat it. Stream everything.
Yeah, as long as you're getting something, that's the main thing. As long as you're getting something.
Apple Music.
Tidal.
What's the other one?
These
are.
Anything. I don't know, I was about to do an accent like you was doing. I was about to be like, nah, I can't do that. Alright, so it's out right now. Obviously, it's got like 1 million plus on pretty much everything.
Yeah, come on.
Within 2 weeks.
Millie gang.
Exactly.
2 weeks.
How does it feel?
Feel like a new man, you know?
Feel like a new man?
Yeah, mate.
Yeah, mate.
it feels mad for me. Well, no, it feels mad for me because I've done it for other people.
Yeah.
But myself,
Yeah.
like, that's when you know it's really real. Do you get what I'm saying?
That's the thing, because obviously you guys have dropped a few other tunes beforehand. Like
Yeah.
The one with One Day Called Beanie Man.
Yeah.
And then you had the one with Burna Boy and
K-Trap. Yeah.
That they came out. They're good songs,
just
but
audio, innit?
Yeah,
No
yeah.
visuals.
This one seems like you lot spent a lot more time on this now.
Funny because the least time out of all of them. Literally.
Okay, so how long did it take from start to finish?
2 hours.
Yeah.
2 hours.
Okay, put it this way.
On a Sunday.
The song's been out. This is the 3rd week.
Okay.
We recorded it 4 weeks ago.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's go back. Let's start this 2 hours there. Let's start with minute one. The actual ringtone sample.
A massive minute one.
Yeah, that's what I mean. It's 2 hours, isn't it? Yeah. Like the ringtone sample.
Yeah.
Where did that come from? Like, where did that idea come from?
So genius is me, obviously.
That's it.
So basically, long story short, I was getting a phone call, and then I don't know, there's like beatboxing in it. So there was beatboxing the drill kind of drum pattern. I was like, wait a minute, this kind of works. Like, it actually works. This was this time last year.
Yeah.
And obviously, the drill scene weren't really.
It wasn't there.
Yeah, it weren't there. Like, it was coming. Like, obviously, what's the name? Heady had No Better and all them things there. So it was coming. It was forming.
Everyone to shh.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying. So then, obviously, 2018 had drill had a really great year.
Yeah.
I was like, you know what? I need to materialize this idea on it. So I was like, went revisited it, did it, had the idea there, and I was like, no, let's just do it. So I hollered out SV, one of the young G's, he's in the drill scene, innit?
Yeah.
Big up SV.
So then I was like, okay, who's about? Like, what drill, what's this? Like, let me know, like, give me an insight. And then I was throwing some names to me, and then the name that stood out to me was Blanco. I was like, alright, let me listen to him. He was like very lyrical, I really like it. I like his voice as well.
Yeah.
He sits very well on it. So told him to come through. This was like a Thursday. On a Sunday, come through, recorded it, done.
This is like the fastest thing. Right? This is like the fastest thing I made.
Yeah, literally.
Between that and Tribal Skank was kind of similar.
Okay. I'm going to get the Tribal Skank in a bit anyway and talk about that.
Yeah.
Because obviously Funky's trying to come back.
Yeah.
Okay. But like, like, it's one of those situations where like, when you're in the studio then, and you're actually making it, it's that quick.
Yeah.
Like, where do you start? Well, apart from obviously you're hollering people, but when it comes to actually making the beat itself.
It just has to be a genuine vibe.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And me, if I like something,
Yeah.
I'm so like if I like something and someone comes with a melody, I'm thinking go into the beat straight away.
Yeah.
Don't
I don't
waste
care about
opportunity.
takes.
Okay.
Go to the beat straight
Just
away.
lay it down.
So
Get
if
down.
someone has 150 takes, you don't care?
No,
That's not going to happen.
Okay,
No, as in like I don't like takes.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I was
Yeah,
saying.
yeah. Like, the
He
more
hates
takes you do, the more vibe you lose.
That's
Yeah,
true, that's
You know what I'm saying?
Ooh, rhyming.
Come on.
No, it's true.
Yeah, so like do it, get the song done, literally. So the quicker we get the song done, the quicker we can enjoy it and listen back to it.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? 'Cause I don't like it when things are a chore. Because I've had sessions where these songs is bare long. I won't listen to it again.
Yeah.
To this day, there's like a couple songs I've not listened back to. As in, I haven't even opened up the Logic session.
That means you don't need
You
it.
basically disowned it.
Yeah.
doesn't
I don't know the
need
songs
it.
anymore. Do you get what I'm saying?
Right. Wait, have you ever been in a situation where the songs were playing out and you're like, oh, so I made that? That means yes.
But
You don't have to name the song, just say yes. Or say it. What's the name of the song? I don't mind.
Go on. You said yes. I didn't say anything.
I didn't say yes. He said yes.
Nah, you laughed. That means yes.
That is it, then.
Boy.
Alright, cool. We'll move on then, isn't it?
No comment.
Just because I just found out a little wormhole in there, you know. We got this now, yeah. So obviously you guys are on camera, so let me pass it on so that people can see it. Right, so
the
Open it up if you can.
yeah, open up. Unboxing thing as well now.
Yeah.
Come on.
Let them see what it is. We're phone salesmen now, you know.
Yeah, man. Phones for you. It's not around no more, but this is.
So do an advert.
No, I'm just gonna try and just tell them what it is.
Yeah, just do
This
an
is
advert.
basically the brick phone that Blanco has been talking about. This is the bad bee magnet.
Yes.
Do you get what I'm saying?
Come on.
So if you want one, if you want bad bees,
That's the phone for you. For you.
yeah,
So I think that sales pitch was about 6 out of 10.
Alright, let's do it again.
So try again. Yeah.
it's not bad.
You gotta believe.
Brick phone.
Believe it.
Made by Dr. Vades Blanco. 99p. Ringtone.
Excuse me, mate. Does the phone work?
No,
Yes,
wait.
it does. It's real.
We even forgot to even tell them that it's an actual
It's
phone.
an actual
Exactly.
phone. Actual phone.
Doesn't come with a charger.
No, you have to get. No, what? Don't come to charge. Why?
Doesn't come with a
Oh no, it does. It does.
Come on, know the product.
It does. It
Comes with a charger. Comes with a SIM card.
Wait, SIM card for what company though?
Wait,
Because
It could be for anyone.
There's no phone for that size or SIM card.
there is.
No, there is.
Micro SIM.
No, you can even get a normal SIM.
What?
Because look
I'm
how.
not gonna lie, the normal SIM would take up half the phone.
Nah, bro. Like this is done properly. You get me?
So basically, you're trying to feed the streets with these phones, right?
Come on.
Yeah. So
Bad bee magnet.
Bad
You ain't got
bees.
this. You ain't getting no bad bees.
Bad bees. You grab the phone.
If you want Cardi B, you have to get this one. You know.
Yeah.
You Beyonce.
maybe Cardi will take a picture of it one time.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
Right, you didn't know. I didn't believe that. Come on, believe it, sell it. You're on
Sell it.
7.5 right now,
Go
1.8.
on.
Yeah, but you're the Vim guy, innit?
Yeah. So obviously, what's that man's name again? Offset.
So yeah, Amigo.
See, you know when he cheated, yeah? When man cheated, yeah? He didn't have the source. Why? Because he didn't have the bad B phone. Now he's with her. Why? Because he's got the bad B phone. Know what I'm saying?
There you go. Now, talking about ringtone now and keeping it phone related.
Yeah, yeah.
Do you remember back in the day, the MSN rhythm and all that?
Yep.
Yeah.
Grime things, yeah?
Yeah. Did you ever try to go on that?
I probably have.
Yeah, I think I did. I think I did still.
Yeah.
You ever gonna leak that? Ever gonna release that? You know?
Thank God.
It's 10 years ago. But
Thank God that computer
Yeah, exactly.
is gone
Yeah.
and no
Yes,
one's
yes.
gonna find it.
Yeah.
So
there was internet, you know. As soon as that gets uploaded, it's up there forever.
But boy,
The big you lot
fortunately, it wasn't uploaded onto the internet.
yeah, it wasn't.
it was sent to other people's phones and someone's
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah,
But
MSN times,
that
innit?
sounds
It's
good.
true, it's true.
Still.
Even
Yeah.
Bluetooth.
Yeah, it's true still.
But yeah, so basically, you lot kind of got together around what 2014 now.
Yes,
yeah?
yes.
Trying like make Dr. Vades.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
were doing your own thing separately.
Yeah.
Why did you think that was the right time to come together?
You can ask him, mate. He's the one that stopped me in my tracks.
That's a good question.
That sounds kind of deep, you know.
Yeah, he stopped me,
in the
mate.
tracks, you know.
Yeah, he was trying to do the Afrobeat thing. I was like, hey, stop it.
He said train. Great man's in it.
Yeah, I was thinking, no, this is not the thing, innit?
Yeah.
And this is like when UK dance music was coming to the forefront, innit? So
Yeah,
I am a massive fan. Do you know what I'm saying? I love UK dance music.
Yeah.
So I was thinking, bro, like, I ain't gonna sing, he ain't gonna sing.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? You might as well make beats,
Yeah.
like make house music. Do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So it just felt right at the time.
Yeah.
Because I dropped out of uni.
Okay.
And that's when
Can't
he
just
was,
drop out.
that's when he was trying to do the, you get me, the
Yeah.
Afrobeats.
Yeah.
Man said trying to let them know, yeah. That, you know what it is? People that know me know that I wasn't trying that. Man did this thing.
Alright, name
Yeah.
a few songs that you've done
Yeah,
then.
that's the name of
Yeah.
few songs.
That's what I'm saying.
I'm not trying to say you.
No. No, it's true. Like now, I'm just gonna just pick up myself now.
Do it.
I've got a hit in every genre in the UK since Funky Ass. I
Alright,
know.
well, name some for the people.
Well, obviously with the Funky Ass thing, obviously Tribal Skank, Thingy Funky. With the Afro, yeah, I wouldn't call it Afro swing. Afro beats, Travelers Onto, and all the other songs I was over there. And then Afro swing, yeah, big up Coach. There you go.
There you go.
And now drill, ringtone.
You know.
Got a banger in every genre, don't I?
That's it then.
Alright, so let's talk about the transition then from like kind of house music now to like now. Because house music is not really around no more like that.
Yeah.
It's there,
Yeah.
but it's like a niche kind of genre.
Yeah.
It's like people doing some types of drugs and just
Oh my
dancing
God.
one corner. I know shit.
Yeah, no.
That's it. So how do you lot kind of were able to like change your kind of sound then and make what you're kind of on now?
Cause we're like music historians and we're actually musicians. It's like a transition is not really hard. All you need to do is all it is just a BPM.
Yeah.
It's still the same components.
Yeah. Melodies are the same
regardless.
of the genre.
Yeah. I hear that.
Yeah, so it wasn't hard at all.
So then, obviously, you guys have worked with like big names, big people.
Yeah.
You got travelled as well.
Yeah.
Obviously, you got Stormzy, Janayiko,
Come on.
K-Trap,
Come on.
Burna Boy.
Come on.
Obviously, I would name a few more, but I
Monday
guess
Cole,
you guys
Popcorn. What's that one's name? Tory Lanez. What's that one's name?
I don't know why my mind's gone blank.
Big up Kojo, big up Bane, big up Don E. Who else is there?
Yeah, them, man.
Who else is there?
Shout out them, man.
Yeah, big up Ray.
Ray, big who else is there? Come on.
I don't even know names even said, so I don't.
I've kind of said.
I think between us, we've named a lot.
Yeah, a couple of people.
Tell the people, innit?
Okay, cool. We'll leave it there then. Yeah.
Couple
So
of
like-
man them still.
You know when you get into the studio with these artists. Actually, first of all, do you lot kind of prefer to get into the studio with them? Or
100%.
Okay, cool.
If
Yeah.
it's not a session, I don't want it.
Yeah, because that's what producers do. That like,
Yeah.
obviously the difference between beatmakers and producers.
Yeah.
We are producers. We are having a session.
Yeah.
Do you get what I'm saying? Because we're hands on. We know what we want to hear.
Okay.
Like,
Go on.
regardless of if we don't even make the beat,
Yeah.
we're producing the song. Do you get
Okay.
what I'm saying? So I'm gonna tell you my idea
Yeah.
to the beatmaker so he can make it. Do you get what I'm saying?
Okay.
I'm gonna give the concept of the song to the artist. Artists are gonna come with the melodies. I'm gonna pick the right melodies.
Yeah.
I'm gonna come up with a name for the song. Do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So that's producing.
Well, jack
a
of all
song.
trades.
No. That's
no.
that's producing the song. Do you get what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
yeah.
So it goes way further than just making the beat. Do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah. So you guys are literally from start to finish.
Yeah.
'Cause I think it's better because some people, obviously, people have different opinions of producing, don't they?
Yeah, exactly.
So some people would be a beat maker and good as a producer.
There you go.
Yeah, that's what happens. Yeah.
So
We
that-
need to make that split right now. If you're a
Yeah.
beat maker, say with your chest, you're not a producer.
No, but the thing is,
Beatmaking is nothing wrong with
because you know how
beatmaking
talented
at
you
all.
have to be.
You know,
Literally,
you don't need beat battles going on, you need to relax. Calm down.
I wouldn't be better with it because I have no beats.
Producer battle, innit? It's like-
Yeah. When it comes to producer part, hey, we can do that. We can go for all day, mate.
You thought about doing one then? I'm not saying right now.
No.
Just call someone out and say, look, I can produce better than you.
No, it is. All the producers
Mm-hmm.
that I'm cool with, everyone's on par. J5 on par, TSB on par,
Yeah.
Screws Riley on par.
Yeah.
Who else? Nana Riggs on par.
Yeah. A G.
You know what I'm saying? All the producers,
Yeah.
but then when it comes to all the beat makers, they're crazy,
Yeah.
boy.
I think it would be a tough one then.
No,
Yeah, no, it will,
GA
it
is
will.
definitely, to me, the best beat maker.
I've
But,
heard
Yeah.
it in my life.
yeah, he's crazy.
That's Abracadabra talking.
Yeah.
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 He's done a few. I'm trying to think what else he's
All the
done.
Kojo hits.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
So we helped with all those, like, producing wise. He
Okay.
made the beats.
So he made a beat with producers.
That's mad, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. So like, for you guys then, from all that creative process that you've done for the last 10 years,
Yeah.
and obviously like just being there, seeing everyone making beats, what's the best beat you've ever heard? Or ever produced on?
It has to be a GA production, to be fair.
Yeah, because Jay is literally the best in the world.
He's
Yeah, but there's
it's
different-
not well.
A select one, you're like, this is a bit too
Do you know
much.
Probably my personal one is probably not even released.
Ooh, okay.
Let me see. It's between.
I have any questions about that though. That's cool.
It's between.
Or I could say that I've been involved in.
Yeah, or even if you haven't been involved in, but you've appreciated that work,
Yeah.
you know?
Let me see.
Boy.
That's a good. I like that question. It's a good one.
A,
That's
a,
what we
sick,
thinking.
a sick beat is Lowski, Forrest Gump though.
Yeah,
But I'm not involved in that one, of course.
yeah.
He's like, yeah, but
And
I wasn't sure about that one. I like the track, but
Yeah.
no, the
I wouldn't
beat
say
the beat
it.
is
Is it good? Yeah. I need to go to
it's
the
sick. Even for example, like Remedy's beats sick. Like,
Yeah, Remedy's hard.
like what he did with Who Am I?
Yeah.
Bugs.
Yeah.
That beat
crazy. Beat is
Gone.
crazy.
Gone.
You know, I like the Lowski beat from Lowski.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's fine.
Yeah.
What you saying?
Trying to think. Yeah, it has to be a Jonathan one for me, mate. Yeah.
No, J5 is a bad man because options,
Yeah.
yeah.
So,
That's what I'm saying.
yeah.
Options, yeah.
We might have the crown right now still. J5.
I think the melody on it is
Yeah. And you know what I like as well, yeah, is the fact that there's like a vocal chop sample, yeah, throughout the whole track, yeah, is like, it sticks to my head.
What,
It's
what,
so,
what?
yeah, it's so sick. I don't know, bruv, but it's sick. Because
No,
like,
see, no, see,
it's sick, you hear the influence. but I
Yo,
know it came from-
he's
you know what I'm saying?
there,
Yeah,
he's there.
J5 is hard
J5 is
still.
there. No, it's there, it's there.
Alright, so let's talk about, we're talking about a lot of producers in this kind of like new wave that's been around since about 2015, 2016. There's many names for it, right? There's Afro Swing, there's Afro Bashment. What do you guys call it? Because you lot have been involved in loads of songs in this.
Alright, cool. Afro Swing, innit?
I think some people like, obviously some people, I was trying to see what you lot are saying, innit?
Yeah.
Well, we kind of have to call it Afro because we're the people that made it, innit?
Yeah.
Afro, big up my cousin Maxwell. He's the one that came up with the name for Afro Swing.
Okay.
Yeah. Afro Swing, the actual term of Afro Swing was meant to be the name for Kojo's mixtape.
Okay, yeah.
Explaining what it is.
What's up? Because obviously at the time, a lot of people were asking, what does Kojo do? What does Kojo do?
Yeah.
So it was like, let's make a stamp, boom. You do Afro Swing, I'm the king of Afro Swing, boom.
Yeah. So where's that? Alright, obviously like swing.
New Jack Swing.
New Jack Swing.
Can you hear that in the music?
Yes. Because even production-wise, there's even swing beat for some. For example, Warning.
Yeah.
That the drums, the
drum
patterns,
patterns
the swing.
Okay, but the thing is, for a general consumer who doesn't know that, and think about it, most people who listen to Afro Swing are probably max 35.
Oh damn! People listen to Afro Swing 35. Shout out you lot.
I did not know that one.
I did not know that.
I'm thinking about who's going to a rave, but you'll see certain 30 plus people will still try to.
That's sick still.
So how would they see the swing element to it then?
No, I'm not.
I could know because there's another way because the swing could actually be like the influences in it, like which they would say swinging from different genres. Do you get what I'm saying? So there's R&B in there. There is some hip hop, like also R&B. I'd say. There's African, there's Caribbean influences. Do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah, I hear that.
That's what it is.
Okay, fair. Now I want to ask more questions, but we're running out of time.
Oh no.
Sorry, mate. But but what's coming up then? So obviously Ringtone is still doing well. Yeah. Obviously it's growing. I think it's probably going to be one of the songs of the summer. We're getting to that point now.
Come on.
What else is coming up though?
Go on.
Big things are going.
Jeez, big things are going. But yeah, no, we're looking to drop one of the projects of the year.
Okay.
This year still. Like sonically, everything just gonna be like wow.
Yeah, Ringtone is gonna be the top track of that, not any that was from last year.
No, this is new slate. So it was from Ringtone going. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Everything new.
Alright, any shows yourself?
Yeah, well, hopefully we could do stuff like the Glastonbury's and them festivals. If you're here and listening, book us. Best DJ set you have in your life.